Okay, Garmin, save video.
Temperatures will hover around 111 degrees, with overnight lows around 86.
Oh my god! Oh my god! God!
Siya may no.
Siya! Oo, siya!
Are you for real, man?
But, if you're going to join class 4, you need to start connecting with your classmates. And I'm not talking about you being friends with 7th and 8th. Stronger together, you remember that? Right? I need to know you're going to keep that in mind. Understand?
Wild youth, drugged out maniacs and homeless people, and we're not going to let it happen anymore. We're not going to take it.
Trump's apocalyptic description of DC, though, ignored the fact that violent crime there has dropped sharply since the pandemic and is now at a 30-year low. And, as of earlier this year, the level of homelessness has also declined. Details of the president's plan were still being worked out. Made his announcement.
Your Salino attorney will meet with you for free, and you don't pay us any legal fees unless we win. We will make it.
Oh, video.
Матрика! Откуда он выскочил? Белый.
Record video.
Что ему занадобилось было? Откуда он? Перестраиваться решил?
Посмотрим, кто это сделал. Не видно, да?
Oh. Change lanes and go around you then, huh? Jesus, retard. What the f are you doing? Yo! You're supposed to turn signal! You're supposed to turn. Hey, why didn't you turn signal? What do you mean? You tried to hit me! Dude, hey, look up your license plate. Look up your license plate on Dashcam. I'll post the footage. You can see what a you are. God, so
This. Oh my God.
Why, I don't understand why they do this. Why are they? You're giving it away.
I didn't think they're teasing those.
It's not a tease when I know all 4 chairs turned around for the last guy.
What?
Yeah.
They show how many chairs turn around. They show you for which person.
Yep, that's why you don't do that.
They show you somebody that's stiff.
They show you. They show you.
Pięknie było, naprawdę. Takie słoneczko i nie wiało, nie sypało, tylko po prostu śnieżek, aż